Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some of Nail Addict's new colors that just dropped. So if you're interested in shopping, I'll have their link and a discount code listed in the description box below so you can save some money. But they just dropped like a bunch of new colors that are very, I think, summery, but some of them are very going into fall look. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm interested in this fall vibes. I'm already starting to ponder what fall manis I can start recreating in July. Anyways, before I get into the mani that I'm going to do that is not fall inspired, the packaging that they use is incredible. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of these colors for you guys so that you can see what they look like in case you're interested in shopping. But I have so many gel polishes from them, so I'm going to be sure to use a couple other ones in today's mani. So these are the colors they sent over. These pink ones right here look kind of similar, but I can guarantee they're different enough to need both. One is more like warmer and the other one is more like pastel-y. Anyways, so I actually have their peel off base coat. It's a gel peel off base coat. I have used this once before and I can't remember if I liked it or not. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to use it again today. And I'm just going to apply it to my nails and then cure it in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. I don't know if I should do one or two coats, so to start off with, I'm just going to do one coat on all of my nails, but I'm just demoing this on my thumb just to show you guys my process, and I'll do the rest of my fingers later. And then I go ahead and apply my gel base onto my nails. This really just helps not only for the gel polish to stick to your nail, but also it helps like create that smooth level surface so that the gel polish doesn't look lumpy and bumpy and it doesn't pick up the texture from your nails. So curing that in my nail lamp again for 60 seconds. And this nail lamp is actually from Nail Addict. It's a 48 watt curing lamp and it's incredible. I've had it for almost a year now and I absolutely love it. So the color I decided to use from this launch is Cleopatra. It's an incredible red. I love reds. I don't think I've ever found a red I don't like, and this one's just so sexy and gorgeous, and it seemed very fitting since we're getting close to 4th of July to do a 4th of July inspired mani using gel polish because I've been doing a lot of 4th of July dip nails but not nail art. So I figured today would be a great day to finally do that. So I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds and then I'm going to do a second layer of the red and then cure that for 60 seconds. Now that I'm fully complete with the gel polish, I'm going to apply a gel top coat. And just a note, if you're shopping the Nail Addict website, they do have two different types of top coats. One is a no wipe formula and the other one is a tacky formula. So if you buy their traditional gel top coat, be sure that you are aware that the gel top coat requires you to remove the tacky layer and the no wipe formula doesn't require you to remove a tacky layer because there will not be a tacky layer. So depending on what your preference is, you could go for a no wipe formula or a regular gel polish formula. So that's all cured and nice and shiny. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the rest of the nails, applying my, the remover gel? Yes, the remover gel, gel base, and 2 layers of the red Cleopatra gel polish. So clearly my gel application needs some work because I did get some gel polish on my skin on my middle finger, so it'll just take practice. So these are the 3 colors I'm going to be using on my ring finger for the accent nail art. I'm going to be doing like some cute little waves. So I'm using a white, a light blue, and a darker blue. To do that, if you know me and you've seen my blue favorites video, then you know that I really love reds mixed with like aquas or turquoises. I just think it's an incredible combo. So that's the vibe I'm going for. So I have a nail art striping brush and I'm just going to create waves on my nail. So that's what I'm about to do. But I got that stone palette off of AliExpress. I got the nail art brushes from Amazon, from Wistonia. They're an incredible brand that has stamping plates and nail art striping brushes, and I think they're great quality. But AliExpress, y'all. I have some incredible stuff coming from AliExpress that I'm excited to test out and do videos for you guys for. So I do want to know, after I do those testing videos for you guys, if you're interested in an AliExpress favorites video, because I've been shopping there for a couple years now and I definitely want to know, are you guys interested? Do you guys even like shopping at AliExpress or Wish or any of those Chinese based companies? So I love them. I think they have incredibly affordable nail art products, and a lot of this stuff you can find on Amazon, so why not get it for a fraction of the price? Anyways, so I'm getting into the 3rd layer of gel polish. I am curing in between colors to make sure it doesn't move or smudge the colors into each other. That's definitely something you don't want if you want very precise lines. So I'm moving on to the 4th line, which is back to the lighter blue. So it went white, light blue, dark blue, light blue again. I do kind of mess up on this line. I make it a little too thick, and it's just I don't like the vibe that came from it. It didn't look aesthetically pleasing to me, so I am gonna wipe that off in a second and start over again because I don't know, something just seemed a little too off. So that's me just wiping off the excess, and I'm going to fix the mistake that I made and then redo the line. And I think that's one thing I like about gel polish is you can wipe it off really easily with rubbing alcohol. And that's another great thing about curing in between each layer that you're doing. So if you make a mistake on one line, when you wipe off that line, you don't wipe off all the hard work you've done so far. Okay, so I'm pretty satisfied with this. I'm gonna go cure it and apply a gel top coat. So this is what it looks like all done. I tried to fix any gel that I've got on my skin on my middle finger. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures outside and show those to you guys. I really like how simple and subtle this 4th of July nail look is. And Cleopatra, man, this is a really good red. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe because I might have some giveaways coming real soon.
Keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no.